Big news for fixed income investors. YCharts just got a whole lot more powerful. We've added comprehensive individual bond data to help you uncover opportunities, compare options, and make smarter portfolio decisions all in one platform. Whether you're researching government bonds, munis, or corporates, you now have instant access to an expansive bond universe. That means you can quickly zero in on yield, credit quality, maturity, and more without juggling multiple tools or data sources. Seamlessly integrate your bond research into everything else you do on YCharts. Build comp tables to see bonds side by side. Layer performance right alongside equities, ETFs, and funds. And when you're ready to take action, add your bond holdings into portfolios to understand their impact on overall performance and risk. Explore the new individual bond data on YCharts today and see how it can give your fixed income strategy an edge. If you're looking to add bond data to your YCharts subscription, reach out to your account manager to get started.